Welcome back to the 40+ Style Guide. The standard jeans and shirt uniform is the most dangerous trap for men over 40. Done right, it exudes rugged, masculine elegance. Done wrong, it instantly signals that you have given up on your appearance. The difference between looking sloppy and looking sharp isn't about the price tag. It is about the intentionality behind the pairing. Today, we are upgrading your casual wardrobe with 15 specific, fail-safe combinations that guarantee respect. Before we dive into these transformative looks, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's redefine your casual standard. 1. The power of dark indigo and crisp white. To master the jeans and shirt look, we must first perfect the foundation, dark indigo and crisp white. This is not about a baggy dad jean. It requires a tailored, straight-leg raw denim that holds its shape like trousers. Pair this with a high thread count white Oxford shirt, tucked in just enough to show a smart leather belt. This combination works because the deep indigo mimics dress pants, while the white shirt illuminates the face. It is a clean, high-contrast look that screams competence. Roll the sleeves twice to display a purposeful relaxation. This outfit proves that you do not need complicated layers to look expensive. You simply need the discipline to choose the perfect fit. It is the ultimate baseline for a man who values timeless precision and masculine elegance. 2. The modern edge of gray and black. For a sleeker, more urban approach to spring, swap traditional blue for gray and black. Gray denim offers a sophisticated alternative that looks less workwear and more architectural. Pair slim straight gray jeans with a high-quality black long-sleeve polo shirt. This monochromatic palette is slimming and incredibly sharp for evening events or dinner dates. The key here is the fabric quality. The polo should be a fine gauge knit, not peak cotton, to elevate the casual denim. By removing bright colors, you draw attention to your grooming and silhouette. It is a look that suggests a man who is current with modern aesthetics, but too mature for flashy logos. This combination projects a quiet, powerful authority that commands the room without saying a word. 3. The soft contrast of Ecru and chambray. Many men over 40 fear light-colored trousers, but Ecru denim is the secret to looking wealthy in spring. Unlike stark white, Ecru or cream is softer and more forgiving. Pair these jeans with a blue chambray work shirt to create a masterful mix of rugged and refined. The texture of the chambray complements the denim weave, while the color contrast strikes a nautical, Riviera-inspired chord. Ensure the jeans are kept spotless. Nothing ruins this look faster than a stain. This outfit signals that you live a leisurely lifestyle and aren't afraid of high-maintenance clothing. It is approachable yet undeniably upscale, perfect for a weekend brunch or a coastal drive. It balances the roughness of workwear with the elegance of light tones. 4. The earthy tone of olive and light wash. Spring calls for lighter tones, and light wash denim can look sophisticated if styled correctly. The secret is to anchor the light blue with an earthy, masculine color like olive green. Choose a pair of vintage wash light blue jeans and pair them with a structured olive green linen button-down. The linen adds a breeziness appropriate for the season, while the olive green prevents the outfit from looking too youthful or washed out. This combination is harmonious with the natural colors of spring. It suggests a man who is connected to the outdoors and favors natural fibers over synthetics. It is a relaxed, effortless look that manages to be stylish without feeling stiff, ideal for outdoor gatherings or casual Fridays. 5. The sharp silhouette of black and camel. Black jeans are a wardrobe staple, but to avoid looking like a stagehand, you must pair them with a color of distinct luxury, camel. A pair of slim black jeans worn with a camel-colored wool overshirt creates a striking visual contrast that screams designer. The warm, rich tone of the camel softens the severity of the black denim, making it appropriate for daytime wear. Wear a simple white t-shirt underneath the overshirt for layering depth. This outfit borrows from the minimalist aesthetic often seen in high-end architecture and design. It portrays a man who is organized, decisive, and appreciates high-contrast visuals. It is a metropolitan look that fits perfectly in a modern city setting while remaining comfortable. 6. The high-low navy blazer and midwash. The ultimate jeans and shirt upgrade is the addition of a navy blazer. This high-low mix, combining formal tailoring with casual denim, is the hallmark of a well-dressed gentleman over 40. Start with a classic pair of midwash jeans with no distressing. Pair them with a light blue microcheck shirt and a structured navy wool blazer. The jeans bring the outfit down to earth, while the blazer elevates the status. This look allows you to enter almost any room, from a boardroom to a bar, and feel appropriately dressed. It shows you understand the rules of style well enough to bend them. It is the definition of smart casual, projecting a versatile confidence that is attractive and timeless. 7. The textural depth of selvage and knit. Texture is the silent signal of quality. For this look, we focus on the raw, tactile feel of Japanese selvage denim paired with a beige knit polo. Roll the cuff of the jeans to show the signature Selvedge ID seam, a subtle nod to denim aficionados. The beige knit polo adds a softness that contrasts with the rigid denim, creating a balanced sensory experience. This outfit is perfect for the transition period of spring, where the air is still crisp. It suggests a man who invests in goods that get better with age. The look is academic yet rugged, implying intelligence and a deep appreciation for craftsmanship. It separates you from the fast fashion crowd through visible quality. 8. The rich palette of charcoal and burgundy. Move away from the expected by embracing the deep, romantic combination of charcoal and burgundy. Charcoal jeans serve as a softer, more nuanced alternative to black. When paired with a deep burgundy flannel or heavy cotton shirt, the result is a rich, warm palette that flatters mature skin tones. This combination is particularly effective for evening social gatherings in spring. The dark tones are slimming, while the burgundy adds a splash of color that feels regal rather than loud. It evokes the feeling of a fine vintage wine or a classic leather armchair. This outfit portrays a man with a bold personality who prefers depth and substance over bright, fleeting trends. 9. The preppy spring of white and stripes. Channel a classic maritime aesthetic with white jeans and a striped button-down. This is a quintessential spring look that defies age, provided the fit is impeccable. Choose slim-fit white denim and a blue and white vertical striped shirt. The vertical stripes elongate the torso, making you look leaner, while the white jeans reflect the spring sun. Unlike horizontal stripes, which can widen, vertical stripes are slimming and sharp. This outfit feels optimistic and clean. It suggests a weekend in the Hamptons or a stroll through a botanical garden. It requires confidence to wear, and that confidence is exactly what makes it attractive. It shows a man who takes pride in his appearance and embraces the lighter side of life. 10. The reverse tuxedo of brown and denim. Flip the script on the traditional jeans and shirt by wearing the denim on top. We call this the sophisticated reverse tuxedo. Pair chocolate brown jeans, 5-pocket style, with a high-quality Western denim shirt. The brown jeans provide a warm, earthy bottom that complements the cool indigo of the shirt perfectly. Ensure the denim shirt is fitted and tucked in to avoid looking like a ranch hand. This combination is rugged, masculine, and unexpectedly stylish. It breaks the monotony of blue jeans while staying within a comfortable casual vernacular. It suggests a man who is grounded, practical, and has a strong sense of individuality. It's a powerful look for casual weekends or creative workplaces. 11. The utility chic of stone and forest green. Utility wear is a massive trend, but for men over 40, it must be refined. Enter the combination of stone wash jeans and a forest green field shirt. Stone wash offers a vintage, lived-in feel that is very comfortable. The forest green shirt, preferably in a heavy twill with pocket details, adds structure and military-inspired authority. This look balances the casual nature of the jeans with the functional aesthetic of the shirt. It is perfect for a man who values practicality but refuses to sacrifice style. The color pairing is organic and soothing to the eye. It portrays a capable, active man who is ready for adventure but dresses with intention and maturity. 12. The minimalist tech of tapered blue and gray. For the modern man who appreciates clean lines and innovation, the pairing of tapered dark blue jeans and a gray mock neck is unbeatable. This is a nod to the tech CEO aesthetic but elevated. The jeans should have a sharp taper towards the ankle for a modern silhouette. The gray mock neck, short or long sleeve depending on weather, frames the face beautifully without the bulk of a full turtleneck or the casualness of a crew neck. This outfit is streamlined, futuristic, and incredibly slimming. It suggests a man who is focused on the future, values efficiency, and possesses a sharp, analytical mind. It's smart casual, redefined for the digital age. 13. The warm pop of indigo and rust. Spring is the time to reintroduce warmth, and a rust cardigan over a shirt is the perfect way to do it. Start with your trusty straight-leg indigo jeans. Layer a white t-shirt or button-down under a rust-colored cardigan. The rust orange contrasts beautifully against the blue denim. These are complementary colors that naturally please the eye. This look is cozy, approachable, and intellectually stimulating. It gives off the vibe of a stylish professor or a creative director. The cardigan adds a layer of softness that a jacket cannot provide, making you appear more open and friendly. It is a sophisticated way to wear color that feels grounded rather than flashy. 14. The mod cool of black and slate blue. Channel the cool, rebellious spirit of the 1960s mod era with a modern twist. Black jeans and a slate blue Harrington jacket. This is a look that has never gone out of style because it just works. The black jeans provide a slim, rocking base. The slate blue Harrington jacket adds a pop of cool color and a structured collar that frames the face. Wear a simple gray tee or polo underneath. This outfit makes you look younger and more energetic without trying too hard. It is perfect for a spring evening out at a concert or a bar. It suggests a man with a rich history, someone who knows good music and good style. 15. The final texture of cream and teal. We conclude with a masterclass in texture and color. Cream jeans paired with a teal corduroy shirt. Corduroy is often thought of as a winter fabric, but a fine-wale corduroy shirt is perfect for spring breezes. The teal color is deep, rich, and sophisticated, popping magnificently against the neutral cream denim. This combination is unexpected and visually tactile. It invites people to look closer. It speaks of a man who is confident enough to step outside the blue and gray safety net. This is the pinnacle of quiet luxury casual wear, using unique fabrics and colors to create a look that feels expensive, curated, and effortlessly stylish for the season. Mastering the casual aesthetic is the ultimate sign of a well-dressed gentleman. You do not need a suit to command authority. You simply need the right denim and the perfect shirt. By applying these 15 combinations, you ensure that even your most relaxed days look curated and expensive. Which of these jeans and shirt upgrades will you try this weekend? Let me know your favorite in the comments below. If this guide helped you, please press the like button and subscribe to the 40+ Style Guide for more weekly masterclasses on ageless style. Stay sharp.